We are here at the booth of Alpha Robotics. So why is it important for your company to be here at XPONENTIal Europe?
So as you can see, we are a developer and manufacturer of unmanned systems for firefighters and rescue people. Our next step is to integrate some artificial intelligence in our systems, and it's a good place to be here to see what other companies are making on this sector and how we can profit from this.
So which highlight do you showcase here?
One highlight is our VCU behind me. It's a control station for our systems where you can drive with a robot, fly with a drone from out of a car with a distance from up to 2 kilometers. So we have a very safe position for the rescue people to work with the robots in dangerous situations.